In this video, we are going to review the scan to print function for the Perfecta Q36 printer. We will enlarge a 8.5 by 11 sheet into a full-size 3-foot wide poster. In order to begin, we will start on the control panel by selecting Copy. Here, we have the ability to choose our output, whether it is an item from the tray or printing directly from the roll. In this case, we will choose Print to Roll. You do have the ability to make other selections by simply scrolling up within your menu. The next item that you will need to do is start the scan process. In order to do this, we'll move to the center of the printer. In the center of the printer, you will see an orange arrow that says Align Center of Document here. Simply take your 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper or a larger document if you are starting with one. Here, you will see an orange arrow that says Align Center of Document here. Again, for this example, we are going to use a 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. However, you do have the ability to start with a larger document and make an exact copy or move it down to a smaller one. What we will do is simply align the center to the middle and push in slightly, which will cause the Q36 printer to grab and pull in the very beginning of the document. From here, we'll move back to our main control panel. Now that we have inserted the beginning of the document, we can choose Copy. At this point, the media will be fed through the scanner in the center of the device. Once it has been scanned, you can select Eject. At this point, the Q36 printer will begin your print job. As you can see, we have successfully created a large-scale poster based on the original 8.5 by 11 document. The steps for scan to print can also be found on the front of your Perfecta Q36 printer.